Wednesday, short, accurate, positive, and important news. A special meeting of Sarpul province was held. A special meeting of Sarpul province was held under the leadership of the second deputy PM, in which the governor, vice governor of the said province, the police chief, and the chief of intelligence, the mayor, and other heads and representatives of various agencies participated. A public awareness program was held. A public awareness gathering was held to promote urban culture in the 4th district of Kabul. Business tools distributed to needy men and women. In Nangarhar province, with the financial support of an international charity organization, business tools were distributed to 200 needy men and women. Power blackout problems to be resolved. The Afghanistan Brishna Shirkat Debs activated a 60 megawatt thermal power plant in order to reduce the level of power outages in Kabul and 11 other provinces. 5 projects put into use. 5 development projects at the worth of 17 million Afghanis were handed over to use in Maidan Wardago province. The reconstruction work of 65-kilometer road has started. The repair and reconstruction work of the 65-kilometer route of the Kandahar-Herat highway has started by the Ministry of Public Works. The first meeting of the National Procurement Commission was held. The first meeting of the National Procurement Commission was held at Marmarine Palace under the leadership of Mullah Abdul Ghani Biradar Akhund, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs. Afghanistan's exports have increased. Afghanistan's exports and imports by air have increased in the last 1.5 years. During this period, exports and imports worth 12 billion Afghanis were made through the air corridor.